Hi everybody, Amy Parnas, Team Mentor here, and I'm real excited, as I always am when a box comes from Tastefully Simple, but I'm super excited as this is my new shipment from our TSTU program. This is a program that's going to send me a box of goodies every other month, or I can do it more often or less, whatever I want is TS to me. And what I have in here is a 10 meal and more collection. We have 3 to choose from on our website. I selected the Delicious on a Dime. And just look at all these goodies that are included in my shipment here. Um, we have a grocery list. This is everything I need to pick up at the grocery store. So Tastefully Simple provides the seasonings, and I provide the fresh. And I can even probably find some of these things in my pantry. We also have a flyer that tells about some additional recipes and side dishes, and my recipe cards of all the delicious things I'm going to be able to prepare and directions on how to do it. So simple. And then, of course, I have my products. I have included here a bottle of Bayou Bourbon Glaze, Mamma Mia Marinara Sauce Mix, garlic, onion, seasoned salt, and our garden salsa cheese ball mix. I can't wait to use this. There's a delicious recipe for an easy macaroni and cheese. And then I'll have another envelope left over to make as a dip to share with some friends. And more. Of course, you're not just going to eat dinner. We're going to need to have an appetizer. And that's where my favorite, my love the dill pickle tip mix. You can serve it with beer bread or veggies or anything you want. Of course, no meal is not complete without some dessert. So we have our delicious almond pound cake here. So all these great products are included in this collection. So I'm super excited to be able to enjoy these collections. And I just couldn't wait to share it with all of you, as it's going to be so great to know what I have for dinner for my family on the busy nights that are coming up as the kids get back into soccer and football and all those other busy weeknight activities that everybody has coming up this fall. So I can make these meals one at a time or spend a Saturday or Sunday doing them all as make ahead freezer meals, because these recipes here do come with the reheat instructions, and then it's just a matter of heating and eating on those crazy sports nights that are coming up this fall. So I invite you to look on my website, click where it says subscribe, and you too can be enjoying a 10 meal and more collection in your home. Know a few friends that might want to do it too. Find 3 other friends to do it, and your meals can be free for you. So hope you enjoy us. Any questions? You know where to find me. Bye-bye.